Good morning, welcome to the ADS Securities Fundamentals Update. Beginning with yesterday's U.S. session, new home sales came in with a significant surprise, rising by 9.6 to 468,000 in January, up from 427,000, while it had been anticipated to decline to 406. However, this is the only positive figure from the housing markets in January so far. During the Asian session today, a few economic figures were released with a notable impact. New Zealand trade balance surplus eased back to 306 million in January from 493 million in December last year, while it had been anticipated to decline further to 230 million as export eased to 4 billion and imports also eased to 3.7 billion. In Australia, private capital expenditure sinks to by 5.2% in Q4, comparing to a rise of 2.6% in Q3, while it had been anticipated to decline by 1% only. Following the figures, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar also traded slightly higher as trade surplus eased less than expected, while Aussie dollar slipped to as low as 0.8920. As for the European session today, there are few economic figures will be released, and most of these figures are from Germany. In Switzerland, Q4 GDP is set to grow by 0.4%, less than a Q3 GDP, which grew by 0.5%. In Germany, we will be waiting for the jobs report. For the month of February, unemployment change may decline by 10,000 in February, compared to a decline of 28,000 in January, while unemployment rate is expected to remain stable at 6.8%. And finally, inflation figures in Germany also is expected to remain stable at 1.6 in February. Going forward to the U.S. session today, we will be focusing on the initial jobless claims, which may decline slightly to 333,000 last week, down from 336,000 the week before. And durable goods may decline by 0.7%, and core durable goods may decline by 0.1% for the month of January. And finally, the most important event for today is the Federal Reserve Chairwoman testimony, which will be held at 15:30 GMT time, and we will be waiting for more information and explanation about the recent weakness. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest breaking news, reports, and analysis. Have a good day.